Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to tell you a very simple thing. Maybe many of you are knowing. Who are knowing, please ignore this video, skip this video. Who are not knowing, please watch this video till the end. How to change the language of WhatsApp, your WhatsApp, from English to any other language. Or suppose accidentally by mistake you have changed the language of your WhatsApp, then in this video you have nothing to do. I will tell you 2-3 steps by which you can change the language of your WhatsApp. So not wasting much of our time, if you are new to the channel and you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Please be patient and watch the video till the end. Just go to the WhatsApp. Here 3 dots is there, just tap on here, go to the settings, and in settings just go to the app language. Note one thing must note, just 1 2 3 third from bottom, app language, and from here you can select any language. Suppose by mistake you have changed this. Okay, now you are not able to read anything, then what will you do? Go back. When will you open this? Tap on 3 dots. Now what will you do? Just tap on the last one. Okay, and then go below first, second, third, tap on here, and now from here you can change to English also. So by mistake, if you have changed the language of your WhatsApp, then you can change. Go to the 3 dots, tap on the setting. From here, first, second, third, app language. Here from English you can change in your favorite language, either German, Italiano, any Dutch, French, Filipino, any language. Suppose I am going to Filipino. So if you are knowing Filipino, that is very good. Otherwise, just open WhatsApp, tap on 3 dots, last, then go last, 1 2 3 third last, and from here you can change. So this is all what I wanted to tell you, how to change the WhatsApp language from any language to any language. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.